magbibigay naman ako ng tip sa pag-a-apply ng foundation, concealer, setting powder, highlight, pati na rin lipstick using only your fingers. In case na nakalimutan mo ang iyong makeup brush set or kung wala kang available na sponge, it's possible naman guys na makapag-makeup ka pa rin ng maayos. And itong tricks na to, nagawa ko na rin sa mga previous videos ko, but more on eyeshadow lang naman. And ganyan guys, bali mascara and brow pencil lang ang hindi ko gagamitan ng kamay. Alam niyo naman yun na hindi naman yun posible. And ayun guys, sana may matutunan kayo sa video na to. So let's start! I already applied my primer off cam just to save time. Now, I'm using my finger to blend my foundation. Just do the tapping motion and slightly glide the product to give your face a nice coverage. Next, for the concealer, I am gradually applying the product on my T-zone to prevent the concealer from becoming cakey. You can reapply depending on the coverage you want. Now it's time to set my base with loose powder. Applying powder using your fingers or hands is not difficult as applying the foundation or concealer. For my brows, I am using the retractable pencil from EB Advance. I'll start with the tail and just follow my natural brows. Using my ring finger, I'll apply this coral shade on my lids. Second, using my pinky finger, I'll take the light maroon shade to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes, going in to give it a nice mix of colors. Curl my lash as usual and put my mascara on. For my contour, I'll just use this contour stick and using my ring finger again, I'll make this as a pattern so I can put my contour nicely. I'll use my lip tint for my blush. Just tap it out on the cheeks. This bronze shade lipstick of Fashion 21 is what I love to use. Glide it properly on your lips using your ring finger. Gel Pat highlighter for my highlight. Blend it on the areas you want to pop out. I applied on my T-zone. That's it for today's vlog guys, and I hope na may natutunan kayong bagong tricks from me. And ayun, hindi naman kailangan ng maraming tools para maging maganda. And ayun, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe. And kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to like and share it to your friends. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye! God bless you all!